10th standard social science, 1 mark questions. Sociology, Unit 1, Social Stratification. What is the proof of social inequality? The fact that people are stratified according to various qualities is the proof of social inequality. What are the forms of social inequalities? Income sources, education and professional opportunities, health facilities, and political representation and participation. What is the importance of Article 39? Article 39 said that providing social justice and people welfare of the people is the duty of the state government. What is the importance of the 86th Amendment? Free and compulsory education to all children between 6 and 14 years is fundamental right of the children. What is the importance of Article 21A? Free and compulsory education to all children between 6 and 14 years is fundamental right of the children. What does Article 45 say? All children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education. What does Article 19 say? Right to speak and right to express one's own opinion is the fundamental right. What does Article 29 provide for? The protection of cultural rights of the minorities. What does Article 30 provide for? The establishment of minority educational institutions. What is the importance of Article 46? Article 46 clearly expresses that it is the duty of the government to support the education interest of scheduled caste and tribes. In which case, the Supreme Court of India clearly said that getting free and compulsory education by all children between the age of 6 and 14 years is the fundamental right of the children. Unnikrishnan versus Andhra Pradesh. What did Supreme Court say in Unnikrishnan versus Andhra Pradesh judgment? The court has said that the entire education structure, beginning from Anganwadi education to higher education, should be seen from holistic perspective. What is the body mass index (BMI) of rural women of Karnataka according to National Family Health Survey 4 2015-16? 24.3. What is the body mass index (BMI) of urban women of Karnataka according to National Family Health Survey 4 2015-16? 16.2. What is social stratification? The method of dividing people into different strata and then assigning different roles and status in the society is called as social stratification. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras are based on which theory? Varna theory. What are the major forms of social stratification? The major forms of social stratification are primitive society, slavery, estate system, Varna system, caste system. Who are considered as untouchables? The fifth groups were considered as untouchables. According to which act the British government classified the untouchables and tribal people as scheduled castes and tribes? India Government Act 1935. Who said an analysis of why a group of people stayed outside the village, whether they came from outside or were pushed outside, provides an answer to the birth and practice of untouchability? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who said untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system and it is the hatefulest expression of caste? Gandhiji. According to whom anyone who touches the untouchables or Chandala had to undergo purification many times? Manusmriti. According to whom, if a touchable person comes within the distance of the tail of a cow with the untouchable, he could purify himself with a bath? Vyagrapada Smriti. According to whom the untouchables were expected to carry the night soil, dead animals, and other filthy jobs? B. Kuppuswamy. Who argued in favor of education as a public property? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is called as Chief Architect of the Indian Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is called as Chief Architect of the Indian Constitution. Why? Ambedkar came up with more provisions and directives in the draft version of the Constitution of India. What is the importance of the Article 17 of the Indian Constitution? It prohibits untouchability. When was Untouchability Offences Act implemented? (1955). When was Protection of Civil Rights Act implemented? 1976. What is the importance of Protection of Civil Rights Act of 1976? According to this act, practicing untouchability is a crime. Universal right to vote and participate in election has also been provided under this act. which act has given some specific responsibilities for the governments in the eradication of untouchability. The SC and ST Prevention of Atrocities Act of 1989